boom. Spin it faster. Spin it faster than that, man. Go. Spin it faster. Spin it. No, you play with the dog. No, you play with the dog. Yeah. Wow, go on. Wow. You follow daddy go up on the road. You ready? You ready? You, mommy, and daddy going to the store to get stuff. Right? Right? So you're cute. Yeah, you know, boy, Danny British, man. Feel so exhausted, man. I could have sleep for a month, man. Know much stuff me do. My blood clot. You know much project me done for corporate America. Man, I think I joke. I got show no. Right or so. Showing us that me close over 1,000 issues, coding issues I resolve. Damn, man. And the work not stop. The boss asked me today if I want anything. You know? And so right now, I have a ton of new stuff. Him just a wait for me to wrap up certain things so we can get that going. I was like, God damn. It work no stop. It don't, man. Yeah. We're outside, V. Yeah, me and my daughter outside. And my wife. Wife, yeah, drive. Yo, my feel for strawberry milk. Pink milk. Man, back in Jamaica, we used to go infant school. Used to have days when them come. I'm like primary school. And them have a thing called Nutri-Bun milk from the Ministry of Education. Them send that. You pay all $5 and get a whole bag of bun. And the hard bull of them. And them the best bull, you know, man. The bull of them crispy, you know. Yo. And pink milk. Pink milk was the thing. And we get bag juice, which is something in America. Juice in a bag juice. Yeah, I don't have that. Yeah, man, bag juice is a big commodity at Jamaica, man. National prize. And that will be the national drink of Jamaica. Bag juice. Yeah. Everybody knows that the red bag juice, the purple bag juice, yeah, tough. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know if Jamaicans take pride in a drinking bag juice again. You see me? Yeah, cause everybody want to be American now. You know what I'm saying? You know, everybody want to have good credit. Yeah, right now daddy need to bring bag juice to America. Yeah, millions. Yo, fuck. Because they say I choking a zerd Sue daddy. Yeah, Sue daddy and then blood clot. Hey, you know somebody try to sue your father for 4 million before you're born. Yeah. I want to tell you, you wouldn't even know. But daddy are the man that you get rid of them somewhere or the other, you know? Yeah. Because if they diss a mango, they must disappear. Yeah, you know, your boy Danny British. Blood clot. There in my rover. I move through time, you see me? About to go register my truck. Hopefully we make it to the figure register my truck because I swear to God, we head out the road block. Then we say, alright, when we come down here, so buy a piece of grabber. And then we reach again, so we buy the grabber. And the blood clot. We drive past the grabber place, you know. We drive past the grabber place, ja. Swear to ja. So now I'm there, so I try run back in, you know. I don't know, so I grab a place if you really, you know, I'm sure I just go down. I'm gonna get it, you know. I'm gonna get it. I'm not get no grabber. My blood clot. No grabber not up in there. I get a backwood though, you know. Yeah. Tell the stars, you know. I'm gonna make a one more stop. You know, you tell me why me reach the destination. And when me reach the destination, you tell me why is it coming I feel to you? Why is it that my blood clot reach the destination and the place closed? Them say by appointment only, them change them schedule. Them no longer open from 9 to 2 on a Saturday. That shit crazy. And them hours, man, he's an office man, you know. Any time, I have to take a day off work, you know, to do that. Anyway, see how we're. Yeah, outside. Outside. Check my soldier. You know what I mean? Outside, you know? Where the bugs live. Yeah. See where my soldier there. Basketball in my play. Anyway, Mother Earth wet, you know, she fertile, you know. You see me? Anyway, she wet, she fertile. I love play with her wetness. Check her out, no man. Check out her waters. Yeah. The valley. You know, see the range and the truck up there, so yeah, man. It's a nice scenery, you know. This remind me of one place at Jamaica named a Pembroke, I didn't call it, or Cranbrook in a Priory.
No more on the bride. Yeah, I put him back.
You put him back in the water? No, sir.
You have to measure them, you know.
Oh, amazing everything, you know. Yeah, in life, it's all about peace. You see me? With peace comes prosperity. You know what I mean? You see, people who don't have peace internally will never be prosperous. Because their mind's so busy, them hearts so bitter. You know what I mean? Them just so distracted from them real goal, them real purpose. But you see, when you have peace, yeah, you have clarity if you draw up on your canvas and make it prosperous. Bring your thoughts to reality. You know what I mean? Especially if you live in a first world country. Yeah. Reality speak, man. So quiet out here. Nothing around. A chill spot like these. Yeah. Chill spot like these you need. When the world get into you, you can come out here. Relax your mind. You know? Catch a fish. Bring it home, cook it if you have the right permits. If not, release it back into the waters. Okay, I don't want to break the law. Yeah, not encourage nobody to break the law. You know, sometimes you see somebody do something, you have to do it different too. Yeah, you know, I always copy, man. I don't like people who copy, you know. You must be original. Because there's only one you, and when you're dead, that one you gone. So if you ain't known for copy somebody else, no, you ain't known for that. Originality, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah. Beautiful day, man. Beautiful day. Ivy, my daughter, love you. Mom's my wife, love you. Yeah. Think about, you know, always I think about my family. It's a real family, man. You see me, I say? Provide for my family. Make sure them can, you know, do what them want, live how them want. Yeah. Provide them security. I mean, blood clot. You see that? Yeah. If your father just did that, kid. Oh my god, devil is a motherfucking lie. Yeah. So, no. That was a nice little adventure. Now me I head from here, so now to the tire shop. Get that nail out, get that tire patch.
Sausage pizza. Elroy, can't you wait for the rest?
All doubts from the matter.
George, what are you doing?
I'm